Yeah, so this session is, it has brought so many insights, Summer, especially, the everyday activities that we are doing, especially with my role. I am bound to the individual responsibilities with respect to the cyber threats. But when it comes to this session, it has brought in much more insights with respect to the organization. What checks we have to do, where we have to look at, and so this is all like very much informative for me. So it's very much knowledgeable, and so much of thought process went in, and especially the workshops, the discussion case studies that we had in between, those also helped a lot. Thank you, Amar.